I feel like we're in an Indiana Jones movie. Yeah. Oh, they do. Oh my gosh, watch out. He's gonna hit you with a poisonous dart. Hey y'all, welcome to Rainforest Cafe in Galveston, Texas. Yay. We're here to have lunch, but not only that, we're here to ride the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. I've never been on the Rainforest River Adventure Ride. Didn't even know it existed at the Rainforest Cafe, but apparently it does here in Galveston. So we're gonna take you on the ride so you can see what it's all about. And we'll take you inside the restaurant so that we can get something good to eat, and we'll give you our review of how good or bad it is. So come join us. I just wanted to look at some of the stuff on the outside here before we went in. They're doing a lot of construction here, so I was hoping that they were open. I'm assuming that they are. They're just undergoing some renovation. But this is Flash the Marlin. And this apparently was constructed using debris that washes ashore at the beaches. This beach probably in particular. You can see all of the stuff, like the plastic pieces, like the nets, all kinds of things. I mean, it's pretty cool, but it's pretty bad that all of this stuff gets thrown out and people don't know how to use trash cans. Just look at all this. There's a little tire, a little wheel. Oh, Bud Light cap. It's Turtles About Town. Apparently they have a bunch of these scattered around Galveston, but they're really cute. Look how he's painted. Welcome to the Rainforest Cafe. Okay, so we have to use the side entrance apparently because of the construction. Angry. He's snarling. Yeah, he needs some more water. It looks like his little lagoon is low. He's mad. He doesn't have any more water in his pool. I think we're entering into the lava lounge because of all the construction. But if we're wrong, they'll let us know. Whew. Nice. Oh. Big tree there in the middle. I can already see frogs. Alright, we're sitting right here by the monkeys. Oh. Look at this guy. Oh, he's getting hangry. So is that guy. It's like, feed me bacon wrapped meatloaf. I don't know about y'all, but I mean, it hasn't been too long since I've been to Rainforest Cafe, but the menu is huge. And it's like they keep adding stuff. Look at all this. I mean, I'm thinking about this, the bacon wrapped stuffed meatloaf. That looks really good. I keep thinking about that. I've never had that. Usually I get the appetizer. This one, the awesome appetizer adventure. But I think I'm gonna switch it up today. I see some butterflies over there in the tree. This is a little different from, we have one near us in Grapevine. That's the closest one to us, Grapevine, Texas. And it looks quite different from this. I want to go over here though and look at this guy. Just gonna get up and walk around a little bit, be that annoying person. Look at this. He's just chilling. I always thought this was so pretty. It says, we apologize for the inconvenience, but the feature is currently under repair. So yeah, there's usually water in here. Rescue the rainforest. It's pretty. I love it that it looks like old ruins. And I always like the sparkling, starry sky. I need that like in my bedroom. And they got the fish tanks. Oh, I hear the elephants. They must be clear on the other side of the room over here. I didn't see them. The frog. Oh, there's a big bird over here. I'm gonna check him out. Cute. Let's see if I can find the elephants. Yeah, I think I found the elephants over here. Oh, another pretty bird. It's nice, I like it. So our server just told us, you know, I told you about the river adventure ride. It is actually unique to Galveston. So the Rainforest Cafe has a one ride. It's like a dark ride, and it's here in Galveston. So I'm excited to see it. I think it's going to be cute. So we'll check it out. Yeah, we'll take you along here in a little bit. We're going to eat, and then we're going to go ride. I think she said it's like $7 per person for ticket, and it's like maybe a 10-minute ride. It's like a little boat ride, so we'll check it out. So, do y'all think these are actually apes or Sasquatches / skunk apes? Comment below. Oh, it's coming a rainstorm. Everybody's upset. This is how I get when it rains.
I didn't see the monkey hanging there.
Yeah. Thunder is intense. That wasn't bad. Marked safe from the rainforest monsoon. Lasted all of like 2 seconds. Alright, yay, we got our food. This is going to be the bacon wrapped meatloaf. She said it's, her service said, it's a lot of meat. It's got some cheese inside on a bed of mashed potatoes with onion strings and some veggies. And what did you get?
I got the lava beef nachos.
So beef nachos just got a bunch of sour cream and looks like some pico and stuff on it. So, and some salsa there in the middle. But we're gonna devour this, let you know how it is, because it all smells really good. Oh, and I always have to recommend when I come to Rainforest Cafe, get the strawberry lemonade. I'm just saying, you won't regret it. I just had to show y'all before I started really eating on this. I cut it open. There's like cheese coming out of there, like lava. The barbecue sauce is really tangy. It's good. The potatoes are really smooth and creamy. I've had a little bite. So far, it tastes really good, y'all. I'm guessing I'm probably going to recommend this. He's already eaten on his. Looks like it's going pretty well. So my plate's gone. But not because I ate it all.
It was raw.
Okay, so my meatloaf, you saw how big that was. It was actually undercooked in the center, like severely undercooked, to where I couldn't stomach eating it. So I'm actually having something different, and she's going to bring me out an appetizer sampler, so. Alright, everybody's upset right now, but I'm doing pretty good because I got my food. It's the appetizer. chicken strips. These little roll-up things are good. Spinach dip. Mozzarella sticks, can't go wrong. So I'm gonna eat this. And whatever's left over, I'm taking to the room. I don't know, since you ate pretty much all your nachos. I don't think we're gonna have room for all this. Because I think we're gonna try to do dessert.
Yes.
But anyway, they were really nice about the mess up on the meatloaf. So anyway, if you do get the meatloaf, just make sure that you cut it open and it's cooked all the way through, because it's a big hunk of meat. But anyway, this looks good. So the people behind us left, so I just wanted to show you that's a neat booth right there by the fish tank. I just told him they always have like really good music in here. I wish the animals danced to the music. We're gonna get some dessert, not the sparkling volcano. You know, they used to have a real sparkler in the top, and now it's like a fake one. I remember when they used to do that, but anyway, I guess it's a fire hazard now. But this is the ride, their little advertisement for the river adventure ride. It says, "Explorers beware." But we have to go into the gift shop to get those tickets, so that's where we're gonna go next. But I'll show you what our dessert looks like when it comes out. Yo, look at this. This is a Oreo banana pudding.
Yeah.
Bread pudding. Sorry. I'm getting excited. It smells really good. You got the bananas on it, Oreo, cookie, looks like vanilla ice cream. And what is this, like I
think that's the banana liqueur.
Banana liqueur that's poured on top of it. But anyway, I just wanted to mention they gave this to us. We're not having to pay for the dessert because of what happened with the meatloaf. So it's really nice, and we thank the people here for making it right. So that's a really cool gesture. So we're gonna enjoy this.
Yeah.
So the bread pudding is excellent. I would eat that every day. Highly recommend.
Yes.
So that was a good way to end the meal. It's been a good meal overall, just that one snafu, and they made it right. So good job to our server, and accidents happen, mistakes are made, so that's okay, we're cool. So we recommend you come, but we're gonna do something fun after this. I can't wait. All right, we're gonna go under the big archway and go into the gift shop. Oh look, they got a volcano up here. We gotta buy our tickets for the ride, but I want to visit with the tree for a little bit. It's Tracy Tree. Have you ever talked to Tracy Tree before? Oh, she heard me. Y'all, the ride is through there. I'm so hyped. But I can smell the water. If you're a Disney person and you know about the water rides, you know how you can smell like that chlorine water smell? You can smell it in here. It's great. Parrot up here. The monkeys. It's even coming a rainstorm inside the gift shop. Look, this guy's like, here, have one of these little bubble ones. Oh, they got a little triceratops, bumblebees, tiger. Oh, they're buy one, get one 50% off. Oh, watch your head. He'll tongue whip you. It's a flicking.
To snakes, monkeys, to tropical fish. They all live with me here in the rainforest.
I like this gift shop here. It's really cute, and it's quite large compared to some of the other ones. But anyway, we're purchasing our tickets here. They're $7 each, and we go into the ride here. We're going to take you guys with us. Rainforest River Adventure Ride. Here we go into the rainforest.
Your attention, please. Today's Rainforest River Adventure is brought to you by the letters R and H and the number 22.
Nice. Very tribally. If you see or experience unsafe conditions, notify manager. Oh, look at the big bird up here. Oh yeah, see? They're circular boats. They're like a river rapid ride. Yeah, so this is cool so far. Ooh, we have a boat by ourselves. Here we go. Oh, nice. Look at this. You're going to get to see his face. He had to sit across from me. We got to balance the boat out. Yeah, it's a little cold. It's a little cool in here. Wow. Look at this. It's a giant tiki. Oh, nice. Where's the cheetahs? We got a toucan over here. Oh yeah, I see the cheetah. His little head moves. Toucan Sam. Wow. Get a view of the cheetah. Oh, there's one up there too. Whoa! Oh, there's a big... and hit the side. Oh, look at the ruins. Those are really neat. I feel like we're in an Indiana Jones movie.
Yeah, watch out. We got natives with blow.
Yeah. Oh, they do. Oh my gosh, watch out. He's going to hit you with a poisonous dart. Oh, I think we missed a leopard or something over here. There's all kinds of animal noises in here coming from everywhere. Oh, there's a big lizard behind you. Iguana.
That is big.
Oh, what is that? I can't see it. What is it? Oh my gosh. Look at all the monkeys. Nice. Oh, he's swinging. He got a swinging monkey. Right over our head. Oh, nice. What we got? I'm sorry, there's just stuff everywhere on both sides. There's so much to see. And catch that swinging monkey back there. He like swings right over your head. These trees are really cool looking. All the moss on there, making it look all realistic. Oh, what's that? Oh my God! Anaconda. Watch. He's hanging pretty low. Oh, look at the lightning up there. We're in the rainforest, so it's storming. Oh my gosh. Big giraffe butt. Oh, I can feel the wind. Ooh, the wind's blowing. It's a storm. Oh no, he's getting angry. The food's back there. Ah! Oh, look at this giraffe over your head. Wow. This is so awesome. I'm just like, oh. Look at his jagged teeth. Wow. there's a bunch of elephants. There's a rhinoceros hidden in the bushes. Yeah. You got the elephants. Look at that. Oh! It's the babies! Hi, baby! What is that noise? Oh! It's a vulture! There's just so much to see. Oh, look at the tortoise! Oh, we got some rapids coming up. A big, pretty monarch butterfly. I love these ruins. They're so cool looking. Oh, it's got a tiger. Look, he's gonna jump out in our boat. There's another one up there. How awesome is that? Oh my gosh, he's hanging on. He's doing like a Lion King. A remake. Tiger King. Well, wrong Tiger King. Oh my gosh. Oh, look at this. Where are we going? Where are we going? Why do I have to go backwards? We're going into some kind of temple. Oh no, you guys might not be able to see what's in here. Have to wait until we get some light. Oh my gosh, who is this? Is this some kind of like jungle god or something?
Kali Ma.
Kali Ma. Oh my god, this guy. That's creepy. What? Oh, oh my goodness. What the heck? Hey, you got something that's... Oh, there's a skull. Wow, okay, yeah, that's a little creepy. Awesome. Oh my gosh. We made it. We made it in one piece. Yay. This has got to be the most fun Rainforest Cafe I've ever been to. Even though our order was a little messed up, you know, we had that snafu. I'm not even counting that, y'all, because that ride made up for it. Y'all, I had to get away from all the copywritten music over there. They're playing a lot of good music over there, but it's all like copyright music. And I just wanted to tell you, you can see the Rainforest Cafe back behind the haze. We just got done eating and riding the river adventure. The food, you guys, I know there was a snafu, but the food across the board on all the Rainforest Cafes I've been to, it's pretty good. And it was here as well. The staff was very accommodating after the little mistake on my order. So I commend them for that. I'm glad that they made it right. That helped the experience. But guys, the river adventure, you have got to do it. I found out from our server, it is actually unique to this location. I thought maybe they had a river adventure at some other Rainforest cafes, but apparently not. This is very unique to the Galveston location, and it is awesome. I mean, I saw so much going on. We actually rode it twice. Once I filmed, the other I just enjoyed because there's so much to see. I love dark rides. This one was awesome. You wouldn't think that it would be here unless you really were looking for it. You wouldn't think that it would be that awesome even if you knew it was here. It is. It's worth the $7 to go on this ride, so please do that when you get here. But thank you guys for watching. Thank you for coming on this adventure with us. If you liked anything in this video, please hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, all that good stuff, so we can continue to go to different places. Come back, see where we wander to next. Maybe another river adventure or somewhere else. You just never know. So come back with us and we'll see you then. Bye.